Good morning, students. Welcome to you all in Alchemy online classes. Today we are going to start the very first second chapter of NCERT, that is electric potential and capacitor. Electric potential and capacitor. Okay, so students, without wasting time, I'm just going to start the chapter electric potential. So already, students, we discussed electric potential in our standard 10th. So what is the formula for potential? The potential formula is V is equals to W upon Q. Okay, V is equals to W upon Q. And what is the meaning of potential difference? V is equals to W upon Q. So there is a question is arising in our mind that why this is called potential and why this is called potential difference, because the formulas are same. Okay, so what is the meaning of potential? In any circuit, if we are connecting the battery, it provides potential. Means people are thinking that it supplies electric charge to the circuit. So there are lots of questions arising in our mind that what is the meaning of electric potential. So I am just going to start with the very first one, that is electric potential. Okay, so students, that is called potential and this is called electric potential difference. So there is a question arising that what is the difference between them. So I am just starting with the very first, that is electric potential difference. If we understood this, we are very easily understood the meaning of electric potential. Okay, so to start this, first of all, suppose a positive charge Q. Okay, and this charge, we have one more charge, that is Q naught. What is this? This is called test charge. Okay, so we have one charge, positive Q. This is known as source charge. What is the intention of source charge? Source charge which emit field. So it emit field. Okay, this emits field, it exerts field. So we have a field here. Okay, and we have a test charge here. And now students, this charge is I am supposing the position is B. This is at point B and the charge A is at position A. So this is position A. Now what is my intention? My intention is to bring the charge from B point to A point. Okay, so directly it can come in straight direction. People can say yaar wo सीधा भी आ सकता है from B to A, or I can choose B to a curve path. Either we can move from this curve path or any random path. At any cost, our intention is to bring the charge from B point to A point, and the A point is inside the electric field. Okay, so how to get this? So suppose this charge start moving, so we applying some external force, and this charge is applying external force. This charge start moving and it have a positive charge. See, this positive charge, this test charge is also having the field outside. So field direction, force direction are same. So this charge start approaching toward the charge A. Okay, B charge means the charge at B start moving to A. Okay, electric potential. So how to calculate this? The very first is the speed. The speed is minimum. The speed is minimum. So I can say if the speed is minimum or 0, the kinetic energy is 0. The kinetic, if the speed is 0, what is the formula of kinetic energy? Half mv square. Half mv square. So if velocity is 0, so the kinetic energy is 0. Why I am choosing this? This charge is slowly moving toward the point A. Okay, charge is slowly moving toward the point A. So if I am choosing the speed minimum, so what is the total energy? Total energy is equals to kinetic plus potential. If my intention is to calculate potential energy, so by my assumption speed is minimum, kinetic energy is 0. If kinetic energy is 0, so we have totally potential energy. Total energy is nothing but potential. So my intention is to calculate potential. So how we are calculating potential difference? With the help of the formula, that is delta V is equals to W upon Q. This is already we have studied in our standard 10th. But what is our intention? We have to bring the charge from point B to A. So how we can write? We can write final minus initial. This is final position, delta means change. So final minus initial, this is initial, this is final, so final minus initial is delta. And we are, what is our intention? If the charge is start moving here from B to A, the force direction is here and the displacement, it start moving, so the displacement is also covering in same. Force and distance is same, so work is positive. Here the work is positive. Okay, so we are moving from B to A. Okay, so external force we are exerting, bringing the charge from B point to A point, and the work is also in the same direction. So work upon what? Charge. So this is a test charge. So what is the whole meaning? If we want to bring any test charge from anywhere, infinity distance, to any point in the electric field, any point in the electric field, we require to work done. We require to work done. So how we require to work done? We have to slowly move the charge. If we are moving the charge slowly, the kinetic energy is zero. If the kinetic energy is zero, we directly get potential energy. And if we are moving from final to initial, so we can say between 2 points we have a potential difference. So directly we are having the formula potential difference is what? Change in potential, work upon charge. So if the charge is slowly moving, the force direction, the displacement direction is same. So the work done bringing to charge B to A is nothing but called potential difference. Bringing a charge, test charge, from any point to a point in electric field. So work required to be done to bring the charge from B point to A. Work required to be done. So what is our definition? Okay, so students, what is the definition? Potential difference between point A and B is defined as work done. We have to what? Work done. Bringing a unit positive charge or test charge. So we have to work done bringing a test charge slowly. Why slowly? Because we have to put the kinetic energy zero from point B to A per unit charge. Work required to be done per unit charge, that is nothing but called potential difference. So what is the whole concept of this? We have to bring a test charge from any point B to point A. We have to require to work done. इस चार्ज को B पॉइंट से A चार्ज पे आना है. So what should we do? We have to push the charge, or the charge will try to apply force to get from B point to A point. वो अपने यहाँ force लगा के B point से A point पर आएगा. So what is being required? The requirement is to try to apply a force, and the force and displacement gives a work. So work required to be done to bring the charge from any point B to A. So what is the definition? Potential difference between A to B is defined as work done by bringing a test charge from B to A per unit charge. Work required to be per unit charge is nothing but called potential difference. So what is the meaning of potential difference? I think this is to be clear with you. So this is the meaning of potential difference. I hope you are being clear. Thank you.